Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I upgraded from a mid-2012 MacBook Air 13-inch. This is my first MacBook Pro and it's amazing. I recommend it over the Touch Bar model due to the following facts. 1. Larger battery compared to Touch Bar model, longer battery life. 2. Lower CPU wattage, higher efficiency, I.e., longer battery life. 3. You have physical function bars all the time. 4. You get better value for the money you paid. 5. None such bar has one cooling fan compared to 2 fans in the TB model, slightly gets warmer with intensive tasks but negligible. 6. I enjoy typing on this 2017 MacBook Pro, don't worry about the reviews complaining about the key travel. I used to miss the more travel in the MacBook Air but now I enjoy this more. They also improved the key noise, sound compared to the MacBook Pro 2016. So if you have a 2016 model I recommend you to return it if it doesn't make a hassle for you and exchange it with a 2017 one. 7. The processor in the 2017 model is the Intel 7th generation, Cave Lake. It has built-in decoding for 4K videos, therefore your laptop will run more efficient, longer and cooler. This thing is way lighter and smaller than the previous computer. Much faster with a much better screen, but I guess that's would be obvious with how far laptops have come in the past few years. We also have a 2016 model MacBook Pro in our house, and we were expecting this to be more or less the same, and were surprised by how different this one was. Make sure you know and are okay with the fact that this computer has no USB ports, at least not the kind you are probably used to using. This model has the new USB-C ports. So any previous equipment or accessories you may have, like a thumb drive, portable hard drive, etc., won't be compatible without purchasing the USB to USB-C converter or upgrading your other equipment as well. We weren't thrilled with how few of these USB-C ports were on the computer, just 2 in total, and one of these is taken up by the charger which is also now a USB-C, leaving you with just one single port while charging. I suppose the current trend is to have everything be Bluetooth, cloud, but I think this would be a 5-star laptop with just one more USB-C port. Still a great laptop, but make sure it will fit your needs and any current technology you need to use with your laptop. It ultimately still works for us, but we weren't really prepared to repurchase Bluetooth USB-C versions of our current equipment. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.